Hi, actually, hold on.
So shaky for some reason right now.
No, I brought them
Cargo this morning.
always, yeah, just in case.
Yummy.
Monster.
Ooh.
Like, this one's called, like, extra.
Oh, fuck! What the fuck? For fun?
No way, John's going in. John's lying.
Might have to hop in with the boys.
Yeah, just take off your pants. Oh, good.
Can I use your pants?
Huh? No.
No, you got extra in the car, right?
Why?
So cute.
It's cold. I'm just gonna pan right now. Stop.
I'm waiting. I will go.
Oh, here it goes. It's deep enough.
It's deep enough though. Don't go head first.
We'll do it all
My feet first. Okay, if you're first,
First guy.
Oh.
Cold?
Is that fly like Jordan a lot? I know it's fly. Get on here.
Well, matching kind of fish.
Fish.
No, you see, we got Alouette Lake. Walking through the woods.
Cabin in the woods.
Alright, chat. Let's see what we got next. Maybe we'll hop into the water after we eat. But yeah, let's see where it takes us, you know? See you next time.
Fuck.
Yo, what's my cameraman doing? Please don't screenshot this chat.
So I'm just saying, I don't want to use it anymore. I don't think I even use it. I just use it. Used to be good.